Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today here. Today I am going to work on putting this cable back on. There's the old one. I went and picked up this new used one. So I'm gonna work on getting the PTO cable put back on. I'm gonna take this, if I can get that here. I'm gonna take this up to the shop and try to get it oiled up because the button's a little bit sticky here. So I'm gonna try to work on that a little bit, get that lubed up a little better, or try and get it working better. And got the 8010 out here. I was using it to run the flail chopper. I did a little test. Hi, lady. I did a little test with it here. Did a little test with it around the outside of the field there. You can kind of see a couple passes I made there. Kind of chopping up what's left. I'm going to run the picker through that middle piece right there, just to see if I get anything out of it. So, but I got this all hooked up here. What I do is I just open up, just open this up and let it throw it straight out the back. Works pretty good. So I got this all hooked up for. But right now is gonna get that cable put back on. Oh, busted myself in the gut. So let's work at that. But like I said, first, I'm gonna go work on this, see if I can get that a little bit more free. All right, there. Got this working much better now. So, that's a good thing. Now, I'll just get everything put back in here. All right, got everything put back together here. Got it all adjusted up. Works good. Even latches in better because I worked on that. So, got that all fixed up and ready to go. Now I gotta do a little bit of maintenance on the picker here, and it'll be ready to go again. So that's good. All right, we just finished checking the picker out. I got it all greased up, ready to go. I had to quickly fab up a little piece to go up under there, wrap around. There's a hole in there, so patch that. You can kind of see, maybe not really. Nope, down in there, some holes. But anyway, we got it all ready to go for tomorrow or the next day whenever I get a chance to pick corn again. So we'll be ready to do that. That chopper's ready to go. So that's good. And I gotta get my one wagon there and make another one of those screens for it. That's what I gotta do. I'll probably do that tomorrow. And I wanna try to pick that tomorrow. We'll see if we get to it, but that's the plan. So we'll catch you then. Oh, got the old wagons hooked up here. Got my little grate there to allow the wagon to breathe. You can tell these wagons I got, they're They're rough, but they'll do just fine for ear corn. Don't gotta be that great. But that's set up and go. We got the picker ready here. So let's go make a few rounds and let's see if we get anything. Remember how it was the first time I tried this field? Going through it real good now with that piece I put on. Well, ran around there and that's all I got. Just the junk air needs to come out. So, oh well. Now I can take the 8010 and the flail chopper and go mow it all up. Make it look better. Set all the weeds. So that's what we're gonna do. I got the 8010 out here. And we're just gonna go around here and get this all cleaned up. I got the chute open on the back there. That's what we do, just lunge it through like that, flail stop the back, just choose everything up. out and hunt deer. I figured I'll just leave out a little bit right here. It'll be a nice little natural hunting blind. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll give it a try. Clean up around here. All right, there we go. Got it all finished up. You can kind of see how much way better it looks. So, old flail chopper did a pretty good job. Everything held together. I guess that's good. Tractor did good. I was having issues with hydraulics overheating back here, but seems to be okay. Let me check. Yeah, don't see anything out of the ordinary, so that's good. Well, I guess that'll end it for this video. If you followed this long, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment. And with that, I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.